Hello everyone. Today let us see how to prepare Ramadan special or Ramzan special Kaddu ki kheer. If you want to replicate the Bawarchi style Kaddu ki kheer, just follow the simple tips and tricks I am going to tell you. You can enjoy this delicious, yummy and healthy Kaddu ki kheer today. So let us see how to prepare this. First of all, you need to take a bottle gourd over here. So here I have taken a long bottle gourd. You need to remove the stalk and then cut it into pieces. And once you are done with that, you need to peel the outer skin of the bottle gourd like this. So once you peel it, you need to wash it nicely and then put it aside. Now once you washed it nicely, you have to cut into half and then remove the smooth part or the part which the seeds are there. So you need to remove the spongy or soft ones and those with the seeds. Now take a bowl and start grating it. Take a grater and start grating it. You can grate it nicely. So what you have to do is 3/4 of the bottle gourd you need to grate it finely, that is with the small holes one, and 1/4 that is you need to grate it into a bigger size, or take a big whole side of the grater and then start grating it. This is because if you do it all the thing in the small holes itself, once you grate it like that, so it will become pastier. So if you have this big whole one, then what it is, you have the consistency and that tastes good also. So take a sieve and then squeeze all the water from the bottle gourd nicely. You need to squeeze the entire water from the bottle gourd like this, which you have grated nicely, and then take it into a bowl and put it aside. Now take half a teacup of sabudana and then soak it for 1 hour. You need to wash it properly for twice and then soak it for 1 hour. Now take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. 1 tablespoon of ghee you need to add, and add the grated bottle gourd into this and fry it nicely. Even though you squeeze the water completely, you will still find that moisture in this bottle gourd. So you need to fry it, and then you can see the bottle gourd is fried nicely. Now add half a liter of milk into it, that is 500 ml, and half a teacup of milk, that is almost 600 ml of milk is done. Now you need to allow the bottle gourd to cook nicely with the milk. You need to see that the portion of the milk reduces, that is if you added 500 ml of water, it should come to 250 ml. So you need to boil it or allow it to cook nicely. And then you need to add sabudana. Do not add sabudana and the lauki at the same time. So you need to add the sabudana once bottle gourd is cooked nicely. So on sim or low flame, you need to cook it nicely. So once you get this creamier thick texture, add ilachi powder into this and give it a nice stir again. You can see that the milk is nicely boiled and everything is cooked nicely. And finally you need to add sugar. Here I have added 5 tablespoons of sugar. You can add sugar according to your taste. So after adding sugar again, a little bit of water is formed, so you need to cook that also, and then you need to wait till your texture is perfect, that is a little bit of thick texture you need to get it, and that's it. You can add food color. Here I have added green color. Adding food color is completely optional, so you can skip it if you don't like it. So you remember, your texture should be like this. It's almost done. The milk is almost reduced to 200 ml like that. So see, this is the perfect texture. You can take it into a bowl and then add fried dry fruits into it and then garnish, and then put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour and serve it chilled. That will be awesome. And if you have clay pots in your home, you can add the kaddu ki kheer into it and chill it in the refrigerator directly and serve this directly, and enjoy this kaddu ki kheer. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.